To download the Ingage app on your Mac computer, navigate to ingage.io/download. Then click Download, which will begin to install the app's software. From the Finder, navigate to Downloads to find the installer. Unless you're doing two things at once, it should be your most recent download. Double-click to unzip the file, then double-click on the setup file to finish the process. Your device will prompt you to drag the app logo into your Applications folder. From Applications, locate the Ingage app logo and double-click to open. The first time you open it, your Mac may want you to confirm that you trust the application. Give your approval to move forward. Upon launch, Ingage will prompt you to log in. Use the same email address and password you used to log in online. With the app, you can present downloaded content even without access to the internet. While connected to the web, click the cloud icon to download your presentations for offline use. Double-click on a downloaded presentation to begin presenting.